Hey guys, how are ya? This is Jeff from GadgetAustralia.com. Today I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp from your mobile phone onto your desktop computer. So pretty much what will be happening is you'll be seeing your mobile WhatsApp screen on your desktop, and you can do whatever you do on your mobile phone on your desktop. So your WhatsApp is pretty much transferred onto your desktop, and you can look at pictures, you can look at videos, you can connect and get stuff like messages and make copies of it if you want on your desktop computer. So let's just get on with it. I'm going to Google and I'm just going to type in WhatsApp. So let's say, there you go, WhatsApp. And we come to the WhatsApp website, which is that one. So do not click on the main link and do not click on download. What we are looking for right now is WhatsApp web. So you click on this link and this is where you'll come to. So you can see it's WhatsApp web. The URL is web@whatsapp.com. So it gives you the instructions over here, which is quite simple. When you load it on your computer, you'll see a big barcode over here, and that is your barcode to actually click and connect your mobile phone onto your desktop. So the instructions are pretty clear. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings and select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. So what you will be doing is, once you click on tap menu, settings or WhatsApp web and get that open, you'll have to point your phone on this screen code barcode over here, and it'll connect to your phone. So let me just give you a demo. I will not show you the barcode, but I will show you where you actually go to connect it. So that's my WhatsApp open on my mobile phone. What I do is I just click that three dots over there. So I click that three dots. There you go. It tells you new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp web. I will click on WhatsApp web, and it tells me logged into devices, so on and so forth. So what I will do is I'll click this top button over there, and you see what happens. It's got this barcode scanning thing. So what you do now is, in my computer it's not showing up, but when the barcode, if you see there right behind that circle, there's a barcode, it'll show up on your computer. You just go and put it in front of that image, it'll scan it, and it'll immediately connect to your mobile phone, and you will have your WhatsApp screen from your mobile phone onto your desktop computer, and it's connected. Your mobile phone is connected to your desktop. So that's how it works. Hope you all understood that. If you all do run into any problems, leave a comment below this video and I'll be happy to give you further tips on how to get this done. That's all for today. Signing off from Gadget Australia. Totally do.